Thalictrum as a plant is an absolute summer beauty. This will give you airy clouds of beautiful flowers, just like you can see here. So cup-shaped flowers with those lovely yellow stamen in the middle that are just magnets for pollinators. So butterflies, honeybees, all of those pollinators you want to draw into your garden to do the good work on your grow your own type things. This is a magnet for them. But don't be mistaken, this is a garden plant of massive merit. This has been awarded the RHS's Award of Garden Merit because it is such a good performer in home gardeners here in the UK. It grows to about 3 foot tall. It forms a beautiful clump. It will flower from May through till September every year. It's winter hardy, it's perennial, it's easy to grow, and it is an absolute architectural gem. This will fill up the centre of beds and borders. It will give a bit of height as well to that middle section, but it creates a translucent wall of stems and flowers that you can actually see through to the items that are further back, maybe a bit taller. The other thing that this is perhaps not obvious at first sight, but you can actually also take these for cut flowers because as part of a beautiful mixed summer bouquet, this is an unbeatable plant to have. So, it's easy to grow, it's winter hardy, it flowers over the whole of the summer period, it's going to carry on doing that work for you year after year after year, and it's a cut flower. So Thalictrum, a real gem, a real must, and I hope you get yours growing in your garden this year.